about to do a Mint Mongoose unboxing, and this would have been for September of 2021. So let's go ahead and dive on in. If you're not aware of what Mint Mongoose is, it is a monthly jewelry subscription. There's a couple different tiers. I'm on the tier, oh, and my light just went out, so that's super cool. Love that. Anyways, so I'm on the tier where I believe I get 2 necklaces and a pair of earrings every month. The last couple of months have been kind of misses for me, but generally I really like a Mint Mongoose because if you've watched these videos before, you know I really miss the jewelry I used to get from Nadine West, and then I got tired of Nadine West because in my opinion, they became overpriced for subpar clothing quality, which is why I ended up making the move to Stitch Fix, but that's neither here nor there. Mint Mongoose is a really great kind of fill-in for that jewelry fix I used to get from Nadine West. Something else that I love about Mint Mongoose, it gets deep, y'all. Like every month, just Helena, the creator, just imparts some sort of wisdom onto you and you're like, I really needed that today. Anyways, each month comes with a card that has an illustration on one side, and the other side has all of the kind of inspiration behind why Helena designed the pieces that she designed for this month. So we'll go ahead and talk about that. It says, hi there, this month's set is inspired by the fun to be had when you go outside and enjoy the world around you. My family and I recently developed a love for road trips. We have been making our way to visit family and see new things that the kids have never before seen. It has been a blast, and honestly, I wonder why I didn't give it a go sooner. I was really missing out. On one of our trips, we drove up to the Washington, Oregon area, and I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with that stretch, but there is a big chunk of the journey that is vast desert above 100 degrees. Despite the heat, we had a blast playing the ABC game, find every letter of the alphabet outside of the car, the first one done wins, playing peekaboo with the baby, and exploring off-ramps in the middle of nowhere. As a young girl, I was always nervous about the dark, but it wasn't until a near-death experience in my high school years that my fear found the justification it needed to torment me for years to come. The heat on these trips took a backseat to the positivity, laughs, and adventures. The long layer of this set is meant to represent the fun getting out and about, even if in your car, can have. The shorter necklace is meant to represent the fun adventures we had throughout the trip, stopping at gas stations and taking detours just because. I hope that this set inspires you to get outdoors and see new things, whether that be from the comfort of your car or taking a stroll on your own neighborhood. Adding some sun and different scenery into your day is always good. Happy adventuring. Okay. Honestly, this is kind of cute, I think. So, you can choose in your subscription model which color shade of jewelry you want for your box envelope every month, whatever you want to call it. Or you can just choose Surprise Me, which is what I chose because I personally think that I can rock any shade of jewelry. I think I'm just that talented. Also, as I like to point out, look at that cute little wax seal. So we'll go ahead and open it up and see what this looks like. Also, it comes in like this kind of tealy minty color wrapping paper. Very cute. Now give me a minute while I unwrap all of this. Okay, the first thing I ended up unwrapping were the earrings, which it looks like I got the gold shade this month, or maybe rose gold. I don't know. Actually, I'm wearing a rose gold, so this might be considered the rose gold shade because you can get it in rose gold, silver, or gold. So this is what these look like. What I really like about these, if my camera would focus, is there's a little bit of a compass kind of looking design in the center of them. Okay, well, good news is I got the light to work. Bad news is I could not get my camera to focus for the life of me. Also, if I didn't mention it, I'm not sure in what order I'll be uploading these videos. I'll probably be uploading the Stitch Fix video first, but in case I upload this one before the Ipsy one, I did an Ipsy video before this, and that's why there's makeup swatches on my body. Either way, really like those earrings. So here is, I think, the longer necklace that has that same kind of compass looking design on the little pendant. And something else I haven't mentioned yet is that all of the necklaces are adjustable lengths, so you can decide how long or short you want it. Also, Sophie did make an appearance. I'm not sure how editing me is going to edit this. She's sneezing right now. Isn't it just cutest when your pet sneeze? Like, I'm butter right now. She melted me. But anyways, editing me doesn't know whether or not I got any good shots of her, but she's definitely chatting up a storm if you hear her. Okay, so I'm actually already wearing a different Mint Mongoose necklace, but actually these kind of pair kind of nice together. I think I'm just gonna leave them on. Yeah. Okay, and here is the shorter necklace that is more of a layering piece. They kind of have these little, it looks like several pieces of the chain just kind of melted together, but it's pretty cute. And honestly, I love how dainty this looks. And again, we're just gonna layer it with the other necklace I was already wearing. Cute. Oh, whoops, that one's getting a little indecent. Overall, I'm not mad about this month. I know, like I said, I've kind of been bummed out by the last couple of months, but these are pretty cute. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you liked my video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting. Comment down below if you just heard my sweet baby angel talking up a storm over there. Anyways, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe, happy, healthy out there.